This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised.
Wow, I can't believe it. This is a longer time now. Hey!
What the? Starscream? Why are you here?
Because you little fool. Why are you loving a Kanaiwada and Angela?
No.
Stop it. No. You love her. No. 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 Please. Stop. No! Oh, it's a bad dream again. Alright. I'm gonna box in. I'm gonna make it this video for some reason. What's up guys, it is your boy Michael here. Welcome back to the Michael Unboxing. So today we're going to renew the Yolopark Transformers G1 Starscream MMK miniseries. So this is what it looks like. That is centimeters is 11 centimeters model kits. For this is for wave number 1. For this is what coming out. This is a new wave 2 this October with like Optimus Prime, RC, and more of all the bots. So I can't wait for this unboxing for this video. So this one here from this we have no glue, painting, and tools requirement for the 8+. So this is the reason for this new Transformers Autobots logo and the Yolopark logo, and right here nice pictures and details is kind of reasons that I'm gonna order for the Toys R Us and this for the shopping for in the Philippines, whatever. So there's a Starscream instructions. There's a 101. So this wire frame for this is the pictures is really cool, and the Decepticons logo like the Transformers or G1 version. So this is the Decepticons logo. We got the Starscream artwork. They're like cartoons. 80s version is pretty cool. I love how much this looks same this picture. And then the back of the packaging, and then front we have the Starscream, and this picture is so cool. And there's a good instruction these pieces for some reason. For this is the like Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, Grimlock, Megatron, Soundwave, and Starscream, and all the featuring Nemesis Prime and Skywarp. For this is kind of inside down to the air, and we got an up and down so let me guess. So I am happy. I'm so happy with this. So the unboxing with Starscream. This is kind of pretty fine. Whatever. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bell to ring the bell to notify for the latest videos. Alright, let's get it started, shall we? Alright, let's get it open the unboxing with the Starscream. This is kind of pretty cool. I know this is how much better Blockies edition. Well, we got this. Open it. So open the tape. Without broken in. I'll look slowly. How much was it? No, this is a complete thing. Is one in the last video. I will love it in Megatron and Bumblebee. I open the box. No, open the box for shopping. Or no, this is the mall in the last video. For vlogs for my last video. And there we go. There's a Starscream. Oh, there's menu instruction. Oh wait, we got the Starscream. This pictures are like the cartoon and the artwork style. It's pretty cool. This one here, Starscream instruction. We got the manual instruction there. There's the follow instructions, and it's kind of pretty cool. This is exactly pretty cool. We got another one. We have this one there. We got for the code, QR code, and a Chinese version, English, so whatever. And this is kind of, let's gonna open it up. So let me see. I can look at this. This is a printed. It looks pretty cool. Plastic bubble is amazing. All right, let's get it building up. Okay, I'm finished with the build with Starscream at the MK miniseries. So this is Starscream. This looks pretty cool. How much of the look at this is it's so good to this because I love how much of the really funny Decepticons. Man, I don't know whether this is kind of really good. This is look at the painting. This like a blue, and white, and red. There's yellow. The mirror. So the screen. These are that looks pretty cool. I must say this is the more chest and this is the shoulders and the arms. Definitely this is the face paint and it looks like red eyes. There's like that. You like it, the painting that are really good, and I love the printing that looks like that. And the armors are red. There's the mirror and the yellow. There's the armor. There's the arms. This is called the arms. So this is the looks like the blaster. There's the blaster. This one is the color white and blue. But this is the legs, like white and blue. But this is kind of good. Look at the accurate. This looks pretty fine. Whatever. I don't know. It looks that this is the problem. That disappointed with the Skywalker, and this is much better with Starscream and the MK miniseries. So this. For the back of the wings, for the Decepticons logo, 2 Decepticons logo, like the original, not the original G1 version. This is a bit really texture and the logo of Decepticons. There's a red line over here. There's a painting. There's a printing of the logo like that. I must the Starscream. There's the Starscream that looks better. I must look at it. There's the 3 accessories. So look at the 3 different hands, like the fist hands. There's wait. So okay. So this is open hands. So it looks kind of really cool. I love the printed that looks the shiny. You know what? Pointing hands. There's a pointing hands here. So look at this, as you can see. So my microphone was a little badly here. So this is really good. How much the feet, the bone joints, really accurate like this. So like this one. So this is size comparison. Just a comparison with the Skywalker looks better with the Starscream. I must say the problem the Skywalker, this is like the purple shiny, nice, pretty cool. I don't know how much of that. This is the heavy situation. And this is the having the really issue, the articulation of the issue was the problem. The Skywalker much better with the Starscream there. And I must say there's the same the bodies, the same characters like Starscream and the Skywalker. There's a foot down. There's a blue and that's the silver. Purple, whatever. This is shiny. This one there. So we got back in the Starscream and Skywalker. The Decepticons logo. This is the same. Oh, looks pretty cool. I'm not. This is how much of the same blaster for the fighter jet, the Cybertron and jet. That's like okay. Never mind. So this is kind of pretty good. I must the Starscream. I watched the Transformers T1 episode in the first episode in season 1, but I don't know what Deco is. So this looks like pretty good. Oh right, so this is a Starscream articulation time. So the first half it is head. This is moving left and right. So I got this is the got a little bit of this heavy. That this is the one. This one. Okay. There's forward, backward. There's a lot of up and down. We got this arms one for this right, forward, backward, up and down. You got the swivel. We got the elbows up and down. A little bit. This is the hands moving on the forward, whatever. So this one, this left one, forward, backward, up and down. Swivel. Those swivels. This is not heavy. The elbows one. Oh wait, I got this is one. It gets heavy. Up and down. There's a leg. Those are the left hand. So it looks pretty good. And the legs one. There's a legs one. Nothing to do with the moving of the chest or whatever. This is a race one. So legs one, forward, backward. Up and down. We got the up and down, the elbow. We got up and down again. Swivel. Forward, up and down. We got up and down. Feet. Swivel. And the swivel, left one, right one, and the left one, swivel. Okay, so this is a pretty good Starscream. I must have pretty long a long time ago, and I must say that this was kind of pretty better. The Skyward looks better with Starscream. And this looks pretty good. I love this figures. There's a model kit that looks like the Blockies Transformers one. There's a, you know what, this kind of, obviously it looks pretty good. This is another reason this is so bad. I got these Optimus Prime. I'm making props the Primus, what's called the Matrix of Leadership. I'm making props to this. It looks like evil phone. This acrylic paint. Whatever is the reason, this is looks pretty cool. Looks badass. Okay. You may know what? I'm gonna go to the size comparison with the Optimus Prime. We got the Bumblebee. We got this. We got Megatron and Skywarp. We got this. Looks better than. We gotta move in this. So we got this one that looks better for the Starscream. I haven't know. This is a really recommended for the problem with this Skywarp. This is the most disappointed figures that I ever seen. So I gotta keep this one here. And we have the Blockies Transformers 1 Classic Class Optimus Prime. And the other one, the villain is Megatron. That's my favorite figures, the Blockies. So I'm gonna. This is it looks pretty good. This figures. It doesn't not really not that bad. Well, what's pretty good. How much of it? This is kind of reason this the Skywarp, and that's not the most disappointed this figures here. I have no idea what's going on here. This is like a kind of a alright. Even different, it looks painted, it looks job, but I don't know, it looks painted, it looks pretty good, and it's this is they printing out, it looks better than this decoration. Okay, I'm gonna give you for the Starscream in the MK miniseries is a 7.5 out of 10. It looks better with this. Looks better. This one here, okay, looks pretty good. Alright guys, I'm not gonna make it for this video, but I'm gonna with the Grimlock or Soundwave, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments down below. What's your favorite Yolopark Transformers G1 MK miniseries? Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave it a like it and subscribe to the channel, notification bell so you'll notified for the latest videos, and follow us in the social media stars. And you know what's the kind of this, I'm going to go next to the Blockies Transformers 1 Class Edition. So I get this one. This is my favorite. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this. See you there on my next video. Bye. Peace.